you going to be able to give me a ride home? Oh, okay, thank you. Love you. Bye.
Take out a binky.
Do you get Binky? Can you figure out how to take it back in and out? You want to come take a picture? Take a picture of Mama?
No pictures of Mama. Mama's fat. Who's that baby?
Mom likes my boobs, dude.
I like his face.
Well, his face is like boob height to me. My boyfriend and Weston and everybody are coming to come get me. Can I pick my nose on camera with my tongue?
Oh, okay.
I don't know, can I? Yeah.
That's disturbing, Brie.
I liked it.